Hello children. So today we will be learning the rhyming words also. In our earlier in English 2 class, while we were reading the phonics and spelling book, we have learned how to make a rhyming sound, how to match their middle phonemes and end phonemes like dog, mog, fog, rog, log. So here also we will match the phonemes, the middle phonemes and end phonemes and find the rhyming words from all. So what is the instruction? Let's read first. Okay, come to page number 39 in your phonics and spelling book. Come to page number 39. Look at the pictures and say what they show. That means there are these pictures in your book. You have to identify the pictures and write what the words are. Can you hear the words with the same middle phonemes and end phonemes? These are words that rhyme. For example, in the middle, the word which is there within the star. So what word is there within the star? Dog. The word dog is there. D-O-G. Now, what you have to do, there are several words also you have to fill in the blanks. First is fox. Second is jog. Third is box. Fourth is tap. Fifth is fog. Sixth is mob. And the last one is log. So we can find the rhyming words like dog. O and G we have to find. So one will be jog. J-O-G, jog. Second will be fog. F-O-G, fog. And one can be log. L-O-G, log. So just look at this. We have found out the rhyming words of dog. Dog, jog. Dog, fog. Dog, log. So how we can make a rhyming sound? By finding the same middle phonemes and same end phonemes. Similarly, in the next star, there is also one word. We have to make the one word first, that is a dot. D-O-T, dot. Dot is there. So, we have to find the same middle phonemes and end phonemes, like C-O-T, pot. C-O-T, pot. Then there is a picture of a map. Then it's hot. H-O-T, hot. Then it's pot. P-O-T, pot. Then it's a dog and cat. They are not matching with the middle phonemes and end phonemes. What is the middle phonemes? O. And what is the end phonemes? Dot. So D-O-T, dot. C-O-T, pot. H-O-T, hot. P-O-T, pot. And also there are more. L-O-T, lot. So these are the rhyming words of dot. Now come to the next page, which is page number 40. What is written there? Words that rhyme. So there are also 2 stars. So first you have to fill in the blanks. I will provide the answers in your group. Then you can fill in the blanks easily. Okay. So there are also 2 stars. SH is only there. So fill in the blanks with OP, shop. So if the middle phoneme is O and the end phoneme is P, you have to find the other rhyming words like this. Like first is box, second is lake, third is chop. C-H-O-P, chop means cut. C-H-O-P, chop. This can be one phoneme. Then web, plug, mop. M-O-P, mop. Mop can be one word. Similarly as shop, S-H-O-P, shop. Because O and P we have to find. Then there is Plug and top. T-O-P, top can be one rhyming word. Okay. So now there is one more star. What is that? Plug. P-L-U-G. Plug. Now, first one is bed, second one is pin, third is jug. So plug is similar as jug. Why? Why is it similar? Because U and G sound. The last two phonemes are similar. The middle phonemes and the end phonemes are similar. So jug, P-E-G, peg, and M-U-G, mug will be similar. M-U-G, mug. B-U-G, bug. Bug is an insect. B-U-G, bug. So these will be the rhyming sound. So I will provide the pictures of your book in your WhatsApp group, and what you have to do, you have to look at this and do this by your own. So thank you, students. We will do some more rhyming words, and we will also learn some new phonemes in our next English 2 class. Thank you. Have a good day.